In this video, we find area of circle by using limit concept. Let us first we make a triangle inside the circle, and if we increase the number of sides of polygon, then area of polygon tends to area of circle. If number of sides of polygon tends to infinity, in this condition, area of polygon is equal to area of circle. As we know that area of triangle is equal to half base multiply height. Here base is equal to b and height is equal to h. Hence the area of triangle will be equal to half b multiply h. And if number of sides of polygon is 4, then we see here number of triangle is also 4. Hence area of this polygon is equal to 4 times of the area of one triangle. Hence we see here, if the number of sides of polygon is equal to 5, then number of triangle is equal to 5. If number of sides of polygon is 6, then number of triangle is also 6. So we conclude here, area of polygon is equal to area of one triangle multiply number of sides of that polygon. Now we rearrange it and write in the another way. It is height times of h multiply b times of n. If n is large, then height of the triangle becomes radius of the circle and b times of n becomes perimeter of the polygon. Or in the another way, we say here the perimeter of the polygon is equal to circumference of the circle. Hence, in place of h we write here r, and b times of n means perimeter of the polygon, and perimeter of the polygon is same as the circumference of the circle, means of that 2 pi r. After calculation, we get area of the circle, means of that area of polygon is equal to pi r square.